I'll start by opening my browser and heading over to canva.com. From the main dashboard, I'll select the Templates tab and then click on the Logo category to see the various design options available. After browsing through the different styles, I'll choose to create a blank logo to start my design from scratch. Once the editor opens, I'll look through the suggested templates on the left sidebar to find a starting point. I'll scroll down until I find a design that catches my eye. In this case, a clean, medical-style logo with a pill icon. I'll click to add it to my canvas. Now, I want to customize this to make it my own. I'll start by clicking on the icon and deleting it. Then, I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for a new logo graphic. I'll type logo into the search bar and browse through the graphics until I find a gold dragon icon that fits the brand I'm envisioning. I'll click it to add it to the page and then use the corner handles to resize it and center it at the top of my design. Next, it's time to update the text. I'll double-click on the main brand name and type in brand. Then, I'll click on the tagline below and change it to subtitle here. To make the design more cohesive, I'll adjust the colors. I'll select the brand text, click the text color icon, and choose a shade of gold that matches the dragon icon. I'll do the same for the subtitle. To finish the look, I want a dark background. I'll click on the canvas background, open the color panel, and select black. This really makes the gold elements pop. Finally, I'm ready to save my work. I'll click the Share button in the top right corner, select Download, and choose the PNG file format. I'll hit the Download button, and once it's finished, I can open the file to see my brand new logo. It looks professional and is ready to use.